श्रीमती मीनाक्षी लेखी।
Thank you very much, Chairman sir. Sir, through you, I want to raise a matter of great importance. The biggest transnational event which is likely to happen across the world is Olympic Games in July of 23rd and up to 8th of August. And the unfortunate part is that all our Olympians who are likely to be participating in the event, 74 Indian athletes have been already selected for participation, and 23 athletes have been selected for Paralympics. And none of them have received the COVID shots. And if we understand from the practices across the globe, then Israel, Belgium, Singapore, and several other countries have already given COVID shots, vaccinated their own athletes. Now, not only athletes, but their managers, their coaches, and supporting staff need to be vaccinated. We have only 4 months of preparation. No work has been done. The work needs to be done because the gap between the two shots, then there could be mild reaction, fever, etc., then recovery process, and post-recovery re-practice process. Keeping all this in mind, we need to frame rules, and when they come back, they need to be quarantined. India itself is hosting the World Shooting Event, and post the shooting event, we are also holding another league. We do not have rules in place, and for all you know, before, and Tokyo itself is greatly infected right now. So one, our own athletes are vulnerable. Two, they could be carriers. The dreams can shatter, not just of the Olympians, but of the whole country. I think we need to do this immediately. With immediate effect, action needs to be taken. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने मुझे इस पे बोलने का मौका दिया.